Hi guys, this is Veronica, your sewing teacher, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you the easiest way I found to make a scrunchie. So to make this scrunchie, you will need a piece of fabric measuring 53 centimeters by 10 centimeters or 21 inches by 4.25 inches. Fold the fabric in half, right sides together, and pin along the edge. Make sure to leave a 5 centimeters or 2 inches gap towards the one of the ends. Stitch using a half-inch seam, or basically 1 centimeter seam allowance. Take the safety pin and pierce the end that is away from the gap. Push the safety pin through the tube. Align both side seams and make the end flush with each other. Now this can be tricky, but what you need to do is sew carefully around the loop with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. You can either use a sewing machine or a hand stitch if you find it a bit too tricky. This is what it should look like. Now pull the whole scrunchie through the gap that we left. Take some thin elastic, wrap it around your wrist to make sure it's not too tight. Pierce the end of the elastic with a safety pin and feed it through the gap that we left. Make sure not to lose the end of the elastic if you're feeding it through. Once out, sew the two ends together. Push the elastic back inside the scrunchie and sew the opening closed. And here's the final scrunchie. It's honestly the easiest and the quickest method that I love to use. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.